How to fix Reolink NVR camera detection issues. IP channel, troubleshooting, fix 1. Verify power and PO connection. Step 1. Check if the camera's IR LEDs or spotlight turn on in darkness. Cover the lens or place it in a dark box. If they don't activate, the camera may not be receiving power. Step 2. Inspect the NVR's PO port LEDs. If no green, power, or yellow, data, LEDs are lit, try the same camera cable on a different PO port. Fix 2. Swap cables and ports. Step 1. Use a known good Ethernet cable. Swap cables between cameras and ports to rule out a faulty cable or port. Step 2. Temporarily connect the camera directly to a short cable plugged into the NVR, bypassing any PO switch for isolated testing. Fix 3. Check IP network settings. Step 1. Confirm that the camera and NVR are on the same subnet, e.g., 192.168.1x. Step 2. If cameras use a default or conflicting IP, e.g., 192.168.108, manually adjust it via laptop browser or Dahua toolbox to match your network range. Fix 4. Update firmware and confirm compatibility. Step 1. Ensure the camera model is compatible with your NVR. Refer to Reolink's compatibility guide. Refer to Reolink's compatibility guide. Step 2. Update firmware on both camera and NVR. Use Reolink's firmware update guide to fetch and apply the latest versions. Fix 6. Clear and red scan channels. Step 1. In the NVR menu, go to Settings Channel, IP Channel, and Clear. Remove all existing camera entries. Step 2. Restart the NVR and allow it to auto-detect cameras or manually re-add them via IP, admin, username, correct password.